I'm making flautas in a couple of days, so I thought, well, I just might as well get my chicken ready. While I'm at it, I took some out and stuck it in this little bag for a little taco salad. If I just stick this in my freezer, when I want to make a taco salad, it's going to be freezer burnt. There's a lot of air in here. I need to get it out of there. So I've got this bowl of water sitting on top of this little tub so I can show you. You take your freezer bag, and of course I've got it marked what's in it. And you shut it, not quite to the end. Then, I do this in my sink. But it's just kind of hard to show you my sink. So we're doing the bowl trick. So sticking it down in here. And holding the chicken down in there. Turn a little bit. And then close it up as I go. And you can't see, but use your imagination. You know, I'll dry it. Okay. And there's very little air in here. This is going to last a long time. I'm going to use this in 5 days. We're making flautas. We got company coming. But might as well get it done and then freeze it. I like to cook stuff big. Then freeze it. Makes for a real quick meal. Real quick little appetizers. And that's my kind of cooking. But you got to get it all in there first. So we're going to stick this. There's a lot of air in here. So we're putting it in here. And my sleeve is in the way. So I'm pushing it down. In the water. This is the second time I've done this. I did something wrong. Probably didn't have the camera turned on. We don't know. I'm just so good. So, alright, now we're going to dry it. The sink works better, folks. So, there. Yeah. Okay. There's very little air in here. This will last a lot longer this way. Now you know how to do it. Prevent freezer burn.